Well, I have an unplanned stop in Raleigh-Durham today because my flight had to divert. So I'm going to get content. These things sure don't look exciting. Full glass is cool. This goes up to the Admirals Club and the Delta Sky Club. Maybe a secret bathroom. I don't know. I didn't even think I was going to be here today. Let's see, what do we got here? Generic. Let's go to 3. Got a bit of a re-level up there. And yeah, just the 2 airline lounges up here. 2 elevators is probably borderline overkill. I'm not complaining. Pretty quick, but I don't think it's roped. It's just an in-ground. Nice motor on this thing. Send it up to 3. The other one's waiting for us. Send it up. Yeah, it's just a regular old in-ground. North Carolina has somewhat useful elevator records, so I might be able to figure out what this is. COP is a little... Might fix that. I found a Chewbacca motor. These are pretty nice. Doesn't have like the normal signature of like an MEI. Could be like MCE, I suppose. Could be anything. It's a little less graceful than the other one. Okay, that is it.